When I turned my calendar up this morning, the first thing when I seen the date, I constantly today on the 2nd day of August 2019. At the time they fly. We don't pass the first 7 months and the 8th month of the year, now BC with day now. After this, and November, now BC with they call. But time they stand like this, time they run, age they increase, beasts they increase, children mouth, be like say they widen more, their demands they increase. Even the things that when you say you need, they increase. You can't ask yourself, say, waiting they happen. But our prayer be say as they continue to grow for age, make it be say yes, say the problem they won't be say what they get, maybe they reduce. For our country, Nigeria, we not gonna know how it be. My name is Thomas Sado. I say welcome to our program. Good morning from Benin. Listen, I hear your weekend starts. You know how we do them every week. As I welcome all of you now to the new month, as I go welcome my brothers them here to a brand new month. Hilary Odia, no sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Happy new month.
I greet to you. Victor Ematitikwa Erio Benson. Good morning.
Good morning.
I greet you.
Happy new month, Domo.
Well, now new month we enter so, and everybody say prayer before they enter new month or enter new thing. Anything when we say new, when we say we get a new shoe, new shirt, or we expect me that thing make it serve you well, may bring joy and all of that. Victor, after they enter new month of 2019 of August, after this one, Ember now they enter. So between the first 7 months and the one will be say be the bridge before the Ember months, what will be your expectations?
Well, more happy point with all of you this morning. As the time goes, it goes to make it possible no day at this level. They always they talking for inside this program, say, not because they were too holy, not because they were too righteous. And the grace of God now they keep us. Our God will continue to preach. Thank you. And continue to respect you. We will try all our best to make sure say keep to your rules, your commandment. Anyway, my expectation is say may our leaders may they change from the way they lead us. When they get change of mind because of where they go home for this country. People they live for country with fear, with hunger. So this is not my expectation. And I believe say this is not waiting everybody within this country, especially the common people. This is not waiting then they expect. Say one day all these things, hunger, insecure, it's the way they this country will be like say stop.
You see, that's what when you talk to them, going to lead us to the next line of the thing where BCSA we will talk about. Now, part of the things the one we say we want to talk about. United Nations bring report come and say 27,000 Nigerians then BC Boko Haram don't kill. 27,000 Nigerians for the past 10 years. But they can say for the last 4 years now and the rest, the number when the BCSA they kill, they pass the number when we say they kill for the last 6 years. I don't want to compare the figures. Make it be like say you can't say you won't get off for here now. So you don't want to television matter.
No, you go compare the figure.
No, wait first. Because if the figure for this lap, it they very, very alarming. It too increase compared to the last 6 years. Then people say, I don't want to talk about and nobody say fear can't catch everybody.
But now, we don't live inside the fear.
I know now.
So nothing new inside.
So as it don't be like that now, 27,000 Nigerians in 10 years, United Nations reports.
Don't die.
Now don't die.
Boko Haram.
So person will come they ask himself now. Nobody want to be say just say bandits they
Bandits
kill.
not there.
Nobody want robbers they kill.
There's
Nobody want Fulani they kill. All those are not there.
Boko Haram.
So by the time you put
7,000 common for Nigeria population.
So you can't imagine say
giant of Africa.
You can't imagine say whether this giant is it be giant, because you get one book when Professor Egosa Osaga writes, the former vice chancellor for Benedict University, they call him the crippled giants. In Nigeria be, they call Nigeria the crippled giants. You understand? They say no matter how you giant reach, you don't they cripple. Small countries or small these things. So much you're going to do.
And at that particular level, now Nigeria did now.
So in this kind of case now,
Yes.
27,000 Nigerians through Boko Haram. Some small ones them they when we say they happen, banditry and the rest. Armed robbers if they do their own too.
This figure, if he pass,
This is an official figure.
you understand?
An official figure most times they lesser.
Or even the day higher.
No, most times they lesser.
Some figure some deaths they will they not record.
Now they tell you so.
Do they understand me?
No, wait first now. This one now is tied to only Boko Haram. The one where we say bandits that they do for road,
Not John.
The one where we say yes, suspectful and yes, may they do, day. The one where be like say yes, armed robbers they do, day.
The one with Curtis they do
day. So you go say and say yes, a day, it's a plenty.
Exactly.
So we call ask ourselves now: are we really secured in this country?
Now God, because you the answer, you just now say what be expectation. My brother, Nigerians these days we they sleep, we they leave our hand for God, our lives for God hand, because over time government never tell us say that they responsible to the lives and property security of their citizens.
Even with section 14, subsection 2
to talk say the primary purpose of government now the welfare, life and property of in people. All those ones, it don't go behind us long ago. Now just Baba God, into your hands, we commit our spirit, we commit our life. If we sleep, we don't wake up, carry us enter that house where you say you want to go meet your Baba, may you build with us. Because some of us don't even reason say maybe na there go even better pass. Because the kind of life you go live, you there for country. You there for country. The basic things where human beings need to take live better life. Water, good roads, hospital, health care, education. Look these things now. We get time for this country, say citizens they happy say they get these things. Not be you they talk just now wetin happen for house where you dey come say person owe you. Say construction of road wey they do, e don dey channel water enter another person house.
He wan chop a house.
He wan chop a house. That one na society be that, na country be that. Country where you go sleep as landlord, you go wake up as person wey no get house again. Na water go raise you and your phone put near ceiling. No, you go laugh. E funny o. E funny.
Reality.
But na wetin dey happen for we society. Then we say wetin be my expectation. I no expect anything
Just
from
like
any government.
Just like this one they talk so down. I dey come here yesterday, I dey by gate there. Somebody, that woman they sell corn for that place.
Yes.
I said they waka the corn like this. Now somebody stop me. Oga Sado, I bet you get here, I want to show you. Now I bring your phone, they show me this for inside estate here. The house when they say he built less than 3 years ago. At the end of the day, just that day for yesterday, so now in BC say at the end of the day, Gully don't.
The Gully don't chop the house.
You understand? It don't run come out for the house. Yes, just that day for yesterday. I mean yesterday, so that just happened. The house just they show me for pictures. So
local government, state government, federal government, they don't visit that place severally without results. Now they do us of bubu here.
Because the way the thing just be, because we come to look at the welfare of the people where it dey. This thing. So
it dey our hand.
So if they look at all of this and somebody just take this, actually they show me this thing. You know, cry, you know, man, no. But when I look at all don't fool.
Oh, phone.
Because shame, no, you know if you blink the eye, because they blink the eye,
the tears go drop
through away.
Yes.
Because this is a house when we say you labor, a young man like
you
that.
labor 35 years for service.
So the man,
60 years. You
so
work when
the man
you lose money, build house.
When the man
negligence of authority, negligence of government. Flood go come destroy your house.
Make I come there that day now. It's not that corn you won't buy so that you go eat.
May eat, may go sleep.
You understand?
No, they commit it straight to the end of
God. They pack the things.
Yes.
Come on there. It's in a neighbor place. Now they
go find one room apartment.
Now a neighbor place, the room apartment, you wake up, go stand like that. You go look for her now. Now a neighbor place when we say then I think they converse with that one. You know
that just pull him.
I beg, make I just stay there first.
Exactly.
And all that. before I go look for house.
Good.
For inside estate here.
Good.
You know understand? Because if they look all of this, they come they ask ourselves, say, where it be say we they go? Must we continue to pay lip service to everything what we do for this country? I go. Now be say we dey hear more from the politicians' hand. If they had before you go here, say, I don't do these things. So what I do, or I go do them, I don't, and I really mash them with action. Because the only thing when we say they happen and just political wahala, they take of this one, they not take care of this one, they think of. Nobody they really talk of say Victor Rio dey for street to how we go to look after them. You know understand? Emmanuel Akpololo, what did they happen to them now? We don't even know. Nobody they make plans for all of those ones. But when there's a kind of political difference, I say everybody everybody run the fight and everything. The problem when we say
to distract us.
The question when we say we asked the other day, we go always make reference because this matter now we say we dey talk now. When that lady die, Olufunke Olakunrin, the daughter of Reuben Fasoroti, that's now be the leader of Afenifere.
Afenifere, yes.
When he die, Governor Akeredolu go there.
Visit.
Governor
Vice President.
Now,
From bottom to top.
former governor Mimiko he go there. Fayemi go there. Even Fayoshe go there. What do they call him? Vice President Osibajo go there. There were 6 governors and former governors when we say go there, go see that man.
The president sent message.
President send message. The question see they go down, we see they go down. But that same week, now they attack some people here for Ikedolo.
Yes. The
They kill one person.
They adopt several.
You understand? Carol they run. We don't see anybody when we say he come.
When I local government chairman not visit.
Local government chairman no go there. May go see they say what they happen. The Baba when we say that amount, they say waiting pay and pass the 7,000 naira. When they pocket, the one we say manage when we say you're free. You say 7,000 naira when we say they for inside pocket. See they take her for your hand and the first time that 7,000 naira pay and pass. Papa, you know go thank God so you see your life. He say that 7,000 naira be life and everything.
So you see him.
He said because if they come out,
you see him.
go meet the pikin because the pikin get issues. The pikin no fit come see am.
So he want
go see pikin.
Inside that 7,000, and you go still give him pikin.
You understand? Take come back.
You see the society where you dey laugh. It is funny.
So you see now that 7,000
joke.
be wetin dey pay am.
Not a joke.
So when we go ask ourselves and say where the security dey come dey. But first though, whether we like am or not, I can't remember the last time we enter Ikedolo police station and all of that. But I must thank the Ikedolo police station. What did they do that?
Yes,
they try.
Ikedolo area command.
They try.
We thank them.
Yes,
thank them.
They try.
We thank them.
If they do things like this, nobody go to say police bad or police no dey work. But despite their none or very lean resources, say yes, they even they give it, they go take work. They were still able to go and combat that one where they released so many people.
Of course.
But one person
died.
died.
They released all the
you understand? One person died. So I come to look and say, what thing they happen? But first, before we say yes, we will continue again. I want to thank Victor Rio. You remember that and say one of the best ways. He said the best way to take clear
that estimate.
To take clear that estimate. Now we say yes, me they
clear the road.
So they bring.
They hear you. They hear what you talk.
100 meters go inside.
100 feet.
100 feet go inside and everything. So I say and we all agree for this program when you bring and say yes, now one sure way. And I want to thank the Edo State government. When we say carry the Edo State Police Commissioner and everything, they go there, they go bulldoze that area and the rest. But one thing is that we can go further.
Yeah.
The governor say he want to give 200,000 jobs. This is not one way to give people jobs.
Exactly.
For that place. The people waiting for that area.
Yes.
All those people, but just engage and say, this is not
every month.
You continue
to clear.
They clear. Even at Empower, like 10,000, 20,000, they give them. You know, say for every month, they declare that area. They clear. That's not one.
The Ministry of Environment Commissioner go for supervision to make sure say that they don't not be to talk for man because to talk for man is suit us for this country.
Ministry of Environment, no, they get business.
Those ones too far.
The environment will get. First, we will look the works.
We get Ministry of Works for those states.
Infrastructure.
It's supposed to be.
They will go look security. You understand? So that they go just they in charge. But they do it. And even the governor can get a direct pulse. You understand? As you just this just take care of Wabaezi so. You just get direct on BCS and they go just take charge of those people.
You want find trouble?
No.
You want find trouble for Wabazinga matter?
Wait first. No.
Trouble you want find with Wabazinga matter now.
No, you know that's what I started to talk.
Now put all the numbers so they line for the motor and their location where they stay.
No, don't be
Which time they bring Wabazinga matter?
I say
don't beg government to make security work for road. They bring Wabazinga matter.
I don't know as they put that.
I feel venture.
Leave
They
Wabazinga.
talk about Wabazinga.
I just talk say yes say as the BC did that mean the person go dey direct.
Talk another thing. Talk another thing.
They don't. You never know say Wabazinga they don't share that for politicians' houses now.
Beg you.
Now you tell me no. I don't know. I just dey hear.
You don't know. You don't know. Go. Wabazinga dey their houses now. Now they Wabazinga dey now. Stand by. The one wey dey hotel go dey hotel.
The one dey gele.
Those ones just dey pursue people wey dey carry diesel crude oil for that side. No money if I dey come this program when I no go see them on the run come out for that side.
No, people no get right to carry diesel. Na illegal diesel they carry abina wetin.
Then if you want make you see them go as from wetin they call am Asoro bus stop for hill there as from 6:30 in the evening.
That for Kewan road.
Yes. Go sit down they sell diesel. They sell diesel for.
Yeah, they sell the diesel.
For bus drivers.
They sell diesel.
No, they say engine oil.
Anyway, you see, if you look and say it dey funny. Anyway, make we no lose track.
Make we not lose track.
Continue for
Lagos Road. Ministry too far. All these places, they under local government. Make the governor make am mandatory.
For the local government.
Make the fund, make channel and through the local government authority. Because now they fit dey monitor them well because they close to them.
Don't be say that they close to them like that. If you dey talk something, you talk am straight. Which local government chairman and councillors get dey stay the local government wey dey for the.
No, I remember the former governor. Wait first. I remember the former governor that had to show me. You talk and say all local government chairmen. They must stay for their place.
How many they stay?
They must get houses for their local government. They go to stay for that place.
Even as councillor, you are supposed to live in your community.
But we see someone be say yesterday they for Benin here they for the Benin they go their place.
90% of the 18 local government chairmen wey we get and councillors now inside town of the day. Now inside town.
No.
80%.
No, they still get their staff.
No,
when they stay the local government.
Now all those staff wey dey stay local government, they not be authority. They not be authority. They just be local government worker.
See.
They fit use those ones now. They fit set up monitoring committee wey go dey monitor all these people before they go dey give them money. They fit do am. As far as say you dey stay the local government. No be say na time you dey. Okay, people wey dey stay the local government wey una come out to. Then they will use am take form small committee wey go dey monitor these people wey go dey work. Anyway, they pay them.
Bad as e bad. A local government chairman no go fit talk say yes say for 1 full month you no go secretariat. You know dey.
No.
If you dey go up to 2 times or 3 months. E bad o. E bad, very bad o. But I look at it that time, you go fit see the work they say they clear am, they no clear am. That might be one thing. But the truth is that let's set up a kind of body where we say go dey monitor and say that area they clear am because just like with the talker, you no go see for Igbo land, say you go see bush like that, say road. Bush don't cover the road. You understand? Say don't cover the road like that. You know they see am. So they clear am. So before you say you go hide for you say rubber or somebody wey carry gun wan come out for inside bush. So they wan come relay you. How they want to do am? It dey hard. Yeah. But the truth is that by the time they put those people, no be only that one man show. Maybe you're clear and everybody just go rest too.
No.
You understand? No be that one man show.
I think
but they sustain am.
They sustain am.
Let's we go there. Say we go check am.
I will find time to go. And I want use this medium to thank our governor Obaseki. Where you take respond. Because not be everybody where you go talk to, where you go hear your voice, where you go say okay, me go do wetin people they talk. Right. This one still shows say
you dey listen to people.
You dey listen to people and you dey feel wetin your people dey feel too. But I wan beg you, they say Oliver Twist.
Go always ask for more.
You go succeed though for that place, but I'll get other two things when I want tell you. When you tell me, make sure say that place you will succeed well. That 50 feet, it's more.
No,
Wait,
wait. Now 98 feet.
No, 98 feet.
30 meters.
30 meters.
98.5 feet. Okay. Now it be after conversion.
30 meters.
30 meters. Now 98.5 feet.
So that one then.
That's approximately 100 feet.
We just see say security agents, all these soldiers, police.
So all of them can't do the road.
All of them can't do the road. How these people, how want to take up them?
But me no come be say yes at the end of the day they don't too take there. Now they want to call it.
Of course, man.
Anyway, no problem. Victor,
that was also being not show appreciation.
No. See, but that show of appreciation, that when they don't show appreciation to a point, they'll call the demand for the appreciation. They'll call the demand for the recognition. And that one, let me see. We'll take some break. When we come back, continue for where we say the name of the program and good morning for Benin. Don't forget many things they will go talk about today. We will talk about that governor of Borno State, Umara Zulum, when we say he go. The state-owned hospital, when I reached there around after 2 o'clock for night, you don't see one doctor for office. You don't see one doctor, all the people only for call. You don't see any of them. Now a president suspend all of them. People they will just make it sack all of themselves.
Make sack.
We go talk about that first. We go talk about that one. We go talk about flooding for Benin. And the matter when we say yes, concerning the Senate and this House Assembly, that matter they people they when we say they'll come. We they expect some lawyers when they come talk about that matter. No go anywhere, stay with us. Good morning from Benin. That is the name of the program. He waka reach the hospital. When he reached there, he see what they see, like a Governor Umara Zulum of Borno State. So they come look and say, see the doctors, they won't be say they're on call. You don't see them there. As you don't see them there, now you see me the carry phone, they call one of them. They call, it don't happen. Nobody answer. Because of that one, he say make 4 doctors there, may they suspend them. The chief medical, that's the medical director of the hospital, that one too, make it go on suspension. Hilary Nosaudia and Victor Erio, we say they the house, they look this matter. Now the governor, when he waka reach the hospital, the state-owned hospital, around 2 o'clock in the night. When he reached there, he don't see any doctor for place there and all that. So people talk to you say the action what the man take. So I say it too even light. So people just say, the man too hurry now. If I find out what happen, if I go suspend them. Man, I talk to I want to finish now. Before it's suspended. If I don't find out what happen before it's suspended. I know say I never talk. I maybe get you want to talk with Victoria.
Say that governor, if not me.
But no state governor.
Yes, if not me, I will sack them.
At the same time, seize their license.
But you don't go investigate matter before you go sack them, seize their license.
I don't need to investigate. Who talk say he's supposed to investigate? I don't know the kind of investigation where he say me carry out again. They get roster. And the roster talk say you supposed to do duty. And you not do duty. You not call. Nobody know why you not call the duty at that time. Then you say me go investigate. May I ask you one question? You know, say, okay, to say na patients, na they carry come emergency. That call, where they make.
They make call. I don't matter if they make call now.
The news say they call the doctor who supposed to do duty. They call him.
You know answer. Then the person
you say me they go investigate.
Abi?
You say me they go investigate.
No, you see, if they see something,
yes.
If they see something they happen, no matter the thing bill.
Okay, wait. See, wait, by the time I just quick round up. May I use this waiting I want to also take round up. You and I, we hear waiting Michael Jackson doctor suffer. Because they call her. Say the person where
they look after,
you know well. You know quick pick up, and before you run reach there, water don pass garri.
Michael Jackson don die.
Wetin dem do am? I dey ask you now. This one still go. Wetin dem do am?
They prosecute am.
Okay.
Well, my brother, engineer Professor Baba Gana, na God na go bless you.
The man goes to Sote.
You are the best governor in Nigeria.
You get award for this.
Yes, for this program, I get the best governor in Nigeria.
But this one be the first time when BC say people they go out like that now. Governor Obaseki don't go out like that.
Go where?
They go check people when we say people know they work. Oshomole don't they do am.
Where?
Even that time.
Where?
Even that time, Chief Lucky Benedo now what TB say they do all the time.
Yeah,
We dey talk of governors wey sit down. You dey talk of person wey don do governor come comot. As far as I'm concerned,
okay,
engineer Professor Baba Gana, you are Umara Zulu. You are the best governor in Nigeria. God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
Oga, our mumu don't do. Enough of all this nonsense wey dey happen for this country. He don't do now. He don't do. He don't do. Think that same doctor tomorrow now. If they not catch and say no dey work, he go come go protest. He go say he wan go on strike.
They not pay salary.
Say they not pay salary. They not do this one.
They front o.
Because the system don turn you to demigod. You don dey raise shoulder. As I real talk, if na me be that governor, na pronouncement, they are sacked. You can never do that doctor work for this country again. Because
you have to say you go revoke your license.
because you render the lives of Borno citizens, you not value their lives. Na make you not dey work.
No
You
concern.
not dey work. Work when month end you go collect salary. Those kind of people, they suppose even carry that case go court.
Yes, na.
Industrial court, you go carry them go. He not come work, he not dey work, he dey receive salary.
But the bad part of
He
it,
go
now,
go prison.
the bad part of it be say yes, this still don't they, according to the governor, don't they get reports? You don't call the Nigerian Medical Association for that area. You know, for that state. Say,
You don't call them before.
Yes,
Say see wetin I dey observe o.
yeah, and everything.
Okay.
People they die for hospital.
Yes.
Just because say people don't they
So
come out-
which
come
action
out-
the NMA take?
See, but
The state chapter, which action they come take?
No, wait, if you don't blame the enemy, you know why I say no go blame them. Now something they say, okay, we dey for club now. You be president of the club, we be members. You understand? Peter Omar will be member. You understand? Then you are president, come to say, see what I dey hear, make una dey try to dey go work.
Of course,
You understand? Yeah, I can't decide to say I no go work on my own.
Of course.
The association go wash her come out because we tell you, you know here. So now they say, make we leave the association. But one time when they talk now, they say the matter ought to have been investigated.
No investigation, oga. You no dey work, you no dey
The truth
work.
be say the people fit get reason why they no dey work.
The reason would have been told to their colleagues that were on duty. Oga, na the truth be that. Anything wey make me get emergency, I no fit come work. I go call my presentation director. Abeg, hold fort for me, oga, wait.
Medical director no dey there.
The medical director one sack that one to.
Na hold on, oga, wait now.
But the medical director no get business for that place for that night now.
You no get business for them.
But why you go say affect am?
Yes, because na from head na im dey dey
Na dey bath
na
come
dey the bath come down. E show say na the administration wey the medical director put for ground na those doctors dey ride on. So all of them will go. All of them will face prison sentencing. No be joke. Enough is enough of all these things wey dey happen for this country. E don do.
You say medical director say the matter no concern am. When this man, late pharmacist Oyagele, wey dem make am commissioner for.
Godwin Oyagele, former
Yeah.
commissioner for health for Edo State.
Yes.
My brother Hilary, no doctor, no nurses wey say when e time, they no dey even dey late.
I must say you no dey duty.
Doctor say one day because the man dey visit them anytime, any day. E dey come there anytime this central hospital. The period wey the man spend there. Before time, you wey dey duty, maybe I wan come take work from you. Me go come meet you. I go wait.
They hand over to you.
Na so e suppose be now. I go join you.
Do am.
1 hour 30 minutes. I go join you, follow you for the process.
Yes.
Work wey you don dey do
Just
since.
go
You go introduce me, then you comot. I continue. But what do we have in our system today?
They say
a whole doctor.
He say no concern.
A whole doctor where the lives of the citizens.
Don't be saying this. Victor, you know the quarrel.
That word
no talk again. No talk again.
Yes, wait. First.
So medical na the waka wey medical director waka na the doctor also dey waka.
No, see, there's something I want to let you know. Just like I take the example of the NMA to make example for that place. That's how they make the MD for that place. Because truth is, the man, it's possible that he had at a point or the other, they say, oh, but the way they do now work, so me no understand again.
That's the medical director.
That is it.
So he give query.
Not the mark that tell you so now. I say you go ask, you go investigate before you know where it be say this thing. Before you know where it be say
you know what he
make them go that report.
The truth be say yes, say as it be now. Me I no support that say you don't go work. Because you know if you tell me say 4 doctors for one hospital, where they for call for night, if they don't just call,
they don't work at the same time.
You know just there at all, and they take phone, they call. You know pick. That means they say emergency.
If emergency, the person die.
I know all
you
of
take vote to save life.
I know all of
them go prison.
But at the talk, I say they should be some level of investigation.
50 years in prison.
When you wait now,
50 years. Who's can last time be all this one? You can't last time be all this.
Wait first now. Go ahead. We discuss. Everybody look matter from different angle. You know understand? Because they look and say to make the matter work out way. Let's investigate the issue before we start taking action. Because that's how it be for law. You don't just come say yes say how it be. I come here and don't see Victoria for work. For that's why he is sacked. You have to check first. Say what thing happen.
The handgun where you they look so. You don't know the nature. You don't know the nature of these people more. You don't know the kind of.
You think that touch her?
No, you think say not to come sign paper.
I mean, you think say that the one wey they do here.
Now they not be their work.
You think say that the one wey they do here. If you know another person there, if you do this your work, you don't know. If get man for hospital go do doctor work. I mean nurse hospital go do doctor work. You dey say make dem investigate wetin. As a doctor, you no come work.
No, night. Wait, if you come say at the end of the day, one of the call work for that night, gas in the rush go on private hospital call.
Make sure now. The problem say they are alive now. Abi you no know say they are alive. Make sure say he got that say he do what one and we cannot come work.
Say the kind of country where would they say na insecurity. Maybe when something happen, then pack people come. Pack people come hospital, they no go see doctor. Abeg, when you get you gone.
Okay, what about if you come be say yes, as you talk about insecurity now, the man now maybe they don't adopt her now, maybe they don't kidnap her.
That be say they not there, they don't see her.
That be the investigation I talk
about. Engineer Professor Babagana, governor of Borno State, you are the best governor in Nigeria. God will bless you. I stand behind you. Make the enemy of the state make them protest.
Okay, for this one,
you grant all of them.
For this one, we say they happen now. What do you feel say? Yes, say other state government feel learn.
They should start to do their work. You dey talk us and say governor Obaseki still dey do am. Where? No. See, my brother, wait. Wait. Leadership is key. You know, I dey always talk. I'll continue to talk till the last breath. If the children of Israel if they for fit comot for Egypt by themselves, God for not send Moses go. Leadership is key. So all the governors of other states for this country, they should borrow a leave from Professor Engineer Babagana.
How many leave you get your one borrow?
Yes, may they borrow the leave what they with them. May they begin to work because a lot of our institutions, it dey here. We don't go government owned hospitals for the state here. We say doctor now dey duty. He dey hospital for 3 streets away.
My brother, the one wey the one wey they talk just now. Not be central hospital go do operation that when I go do appendix. I not tell now as that place dey. The condition of that place, we not talk am yet.
But they don't open big one, 5-star.
What big one? You need to see the attitude.
Wait first.
The attitude of our health workers.
No, the complaint I want answer the complaint when they give. I remember that time you complain here when we say you don't come back and all of that. Me, I come over see you. Your complaint be say yes, the place no good.
Yeah.
And all of that. They don't build new 5-star hospitals. When they don't open soon.
Since when Obaseki enter this government, you know say never visit any of these hospitals. We'll get for Benin here. Stella Obasanjo. as we don't talk about that place reach. He never carry 2 legs enter there.
The person talks.
Central Hospital.
But
Wait. I beg.
we got commissioner of health. They go.
Now, commissioner do the one where you they talk about so. Why you go there? Why this man dey talk this?
As a governor of a state, on easy lies the head, that wears the crown. You don't be extraordinary human being.
I make they call her excellent.
That's why you be excellency.
Excellent.
So a lot of things dey where they follow you.
Wait.
People go imagine how you dey take live your life. Governor not supposed to sleep because God don't give you that ability. When you want to rest, nobody they know. When you they do your work, nobody they know. You're supposed to be on ground. There was a time when Oyerebule be administrator for here. Environmental day. Now my eye happen. All of us they work. One bricklayer they go work. Oyerebule carried bike. Was driving bike around the town. Now you see one bricklayer. That one he carry molder. He carry mold. He want go mold block. Now Oyerebule park bike. My young man, where are you going? Saying the word. We don't know, say, now later, even me as at that time, I don't even know him. Say, now he be the administrator of Edo State. Now later, about 5 minutes later, all in details. We come to see government motor, all those ones just get a chance, they back, they come, they come. Now everybody come tell no say, now governor of Edo State that time, Oyerebule. Now the man is down, I beg, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Governor. You see governor for street. When last did we have such a governor in Edo State? What do una dey hide for? What do una dey hide for? Governors of this country, governors of this states, where they this country. What do una dey hide for? What do una dey fear?
Anyway, the truth be say, yes, the governor cannot be everywhere at the same time.
No, he tell us that they tell us when they do campaign.
Wait.
When they do campaign.
Yesterday.
Your Excellency,
Wait first.
Why?
Yesterday, I see the governor when we say yesterday they go Sobe. You understand? Because whether you like them or not, Edo State be small place like that.
No.
If they go Sobe, you won't go do some kind of things them there.
What you go
You
do?
understand? Yes, they go work
do
there.
work now.
You understand?
As a
You go there,
governor,
go
work
work there, and the rest of that.
Which work?
Wait
It
first,
concern
now.
you.
Wait first, now. You go there, go work. I see that they don't tell me. When we say they go Sobe, they go to do some work there. Apart from all of those ones, we know say the other day you go Isako side, you don't go even those side there, they walk around. But what I'm trying to let us know now is say if we tell us say, oh boy, you don't walk around, you don't try your but you walk enter here. I go to understand. Now you talk and say the man
Central Hospital.
now they talk so now you talk and say the man has not been to the Central Hospital since he assumed office as the governor of Edo State. That now message when you they pass so. No how no if you know they watch now, people do when they watch, they go to say Oga see what they talk for here. I remember one time when the BC yes say governor what do they call him Osumbo when the governor that time. Wait first now when Osumbo dey that time he can't do one thing when BC do for government house when they do after they say when they do after they call and say oh ITV dey here or they see what they do. Yes, now. From the government house there. He said, oh, ITV there, they see what they do here, and everything, they go report out, and everything because they talk out. I remember at a point when we say, Governor Adams Oshiomhole at that time, he talk out. When we go talk for this program here, the next morning, you know they say now, the next morning, or if you take or Saturday or Monday morning, you go see those commission go there, or you don't go there, go see them. You go talk and say, this I want people to report it on ITV. See, Baba, with all due
Even
respect
as the
to
program they go on, Oga,
don't move.
My governor, you be one person when I get big respect for. Not be because say you be governor of the state, I mean because you be elderly man. I must respect you, culture demand down. You get wetin Oyibo dey call unscheduled visit. Unscheduled. They don't know say you dey come.
You enter there.
Udori. Now by surprise they see cow see pikin. Bah! Na governor. Now he drive come by himself with just one police officer. You go even tell the police ex, my friend, leave here. You just wear jeans, just wear polo, put face cap for head. Wow! Na governor. Hey, excellent. Yes, now.
What you don't say?
Wetin who suppose dey duty? Can you imagine a governor who come at 2 a.m. at night? God will bless that governor. engineer professor Baba Gana.
You get the people for mind.
Yes.
Because for you to wake up that late, other people they snore for the house.
Even the doctor, what's up with them? He dey sleep.
He gets up for that class.
My brother, many things they go on.
But okay, before we round up this area now.
Many things they go
before
on.
we round up this area now. Waiting you feel say yes. I asked the question just now. We'll take a round up. Waiting you feel say other people feel learn from this singular action when they say engineer professor Baba Gana Omara Zulu,
yes,
governor of Borno State.
Waiting they go learn. This one it just lay the foundation. Say
the governor can enter anywhere at any time.
As governor, you hold the people the responsibility to protect and to protect their lives and property. So, me say the governor not supposed to sit down for one place. For one place. Since you say you be governor, since you hold them that responsibility, you own to go around to check whether the things where they're supposed to they enjoy.
Why do they enjoy?
Whether they enjoy as a citizen of that state.
A lot dey to learn. That government-owned hospital for Borno now, everybody will start working now. If you dey of the heartbeat, say you know they can't work before. For this one will happen. You that for the hospital. Then other governors in the state, una go fit achieve. Una go fit do am. Not be rocket science.
I don't forget that's how they talk. That time when they talk just now, I said the governor they go. Let's forget say if they go local governments with local government that time, what they call closed. I remember I said they lock it go local government just because people no agree come on time. You remember?
Yes,
I remember. Say they go red. They go to local government like that.
Yes,
and all that kind of thing. What they're trying to say make it sustain now.
It should that one not even reach. It not even reach. It not even reach. Once upon a time, when the respect when I get for the former governor of Rivers State, Rotimi Amechi, there was a time, there was this big protest for water line. If you know where they call water line for Port Harcourt.
I never know anywhere for Benin.
Big protest. Now, people, they fight. The protest come degenerate to fight. Amechi waka enter inside the fight. The only thing we wear are just bulletproof. They see he wear polo jeans, and so he raise it two hand up. This is your governor, Rotimi Amechi. Everybody see governor. Now they pay for there right away. Now he settle the matter. We make them fight. This is not matter where police go there. Police don't shoot tear gas. They say lie. People must die for them. Governor enter. I was in Port Harcourt as at that time. Now what happened with that? That is a governor will get in people for mind. You will be restless if your people are not happy. So we must get it right as a people. Edo State now one very peculiar state. You not go fit compare Edo with any other state for this country.
Okay, but okay. What I think get for what I talk now be say yes say. No matter what, you should go around make it get first-hand information. Sure. Because before the thing go for that place, which way is there? They fall. People not get house again. How many times have our governor come out to say, this area you go? But do you know say it's a special committee that Yakubu go one day side. This person
they talk away you say Yakubu Gowon they not the same former
former head of state. No, you get Yakubu Gowon, the commissioner for environment and all of them. They go around that time. I remember.
Do you remember one time where accidental discharge kill one driver for Way?
Yes.
With his girlfriend, where they were about marrying. You see picture we will get for internet. As the woman see governor, as that girl see governor, as he take hug, you know what that in me. You know what in me.
But I think governor I do one.
Yes.
To make it sustain.
Oh God, they tell you, I lost my house by flood. Not be my making. Now people now they put water dirty for drainage, we don't block drainage. Now government responsibility to arrest any offender of those kind of crime.
Okay, we'll take a small break. We'll come out just now. Not go anywhere. Name of the program and good morning from Benin. But the message here be say make it go around the mall. But should be say by the time you go around on its own, you get first-hand information and all of that. Because before you go from one point to another point, they fit change the story So then become like say professor doctor or professor engineer Baba Gana Umara Zulum, governor of Borno State, only waka enter the hospital. He say 4 doctors there, they know they on seats. They take phone, call them, none of them answer, none of them agree come. Now he suspend all the 4 of them. Even the medical director of the hospital tell me that one safe. Make it go rest. We could rest more, we'll come banana, not go anywhere. We thank God, say the program to the Waka they go, the program Good Morning from Benin, the reach from independent television, and think the Waka where the way it's supposed to be. All the matter they hot. The matter will be say concern the Edo State House Assembly, and the matter the one between the follow, especially the one be say Senate talk. So they give them 1 week, make it be say they take write new letter or proclamation. That matter we go still talk about her with the person people when be say go talk about her. As we ready for that one, my brother say make we know this matter when be say it concern environment. When will they stay? The blessing I'm going to bring the matter now, make we talk about.
No.
Because if I just bring any matter, I just the verse and all that kind of thing. I tell you of this thing just now, where they happen for Borno State now, they do the whole thing, one can. And they talk of the Edo State now, how it be for environment matter, the team matter now, they make, no be matter when they go talk. No be matter when they go talk. No, they ask now. Because the way it be now, if I say Edo State, if I say as you come out to give award to governor of Borno State, so now be the best governor. Maybe we'll come give Edo State some kind award for the way it be say dirty today for everywhere. Now both are trying to talk.
They will give Edo State award
for the way dirty today for everywhere.
Yes, where dirty today. Because me now the governor me go blame. Now he say me Edo dirty.
No, how you go blame the governor? We get commissioner will be say they charge of
now he say me Edo dirty. If I not go bring lawyer, may come they do the work of environment. You understand what I tell you so? Now he say me Edo dirty. Wait, and they come. That ministry, because he don't say he no want to the waste money. That what they tell public, he not get money to the waste. But the salary where they pay Ministry of people for Ministry of Environment, the commissioner where they pay, when you go brief from Lagos, because that one not they stay here. Whether I don't dirty you, I don't know dirty you, you know concern commissioner, because not be here in the state.
No.
Wait.
Wait first.
Ask me question.
That one, the last one I check, I be asking for Omora, and she from
come now. If they stay here,
for Owan West.
If they stay here, go ask Sam, speak on one for you.
That one not be the issue.
Wait, and they come.
Because
so,
the one when they talk now.
Since they don't decide, this government don't decide now, say they want to use the to take people for Edo State. Fine. Because no part of Benin City, no road, or to major roads, is it now Selu, na Mission Road, na Papava, na Saple Road, na name it Lagos Road. All the major roads will be like say the past government do. Where you find dirty don't be like flowers. You have government, you have ministry.
You not use flower describe dirty. You not use flower describe dirty because flower now for beautification.
Dirty not to beautification now.
No, beauty, dirty, now two different.
But look at like
that. Make a pick 'em up from here, my brother. Make a pick 'em up. We not get a personal issue with the governor of Edo State. With all due respect, he's still the governor of the state, and we give him gradation. The governor can decide to go anywhere to bring who he want to work. If he go Kafachan, if he go Yugoslavia,
especially
that is not an issue.
Bring somebody.
Wait. Okay, wait now.
Okay. But the person when they talk about now, Edo State person now.
Exactly.
No.
Okay, wait now. Calm down.
If you know they do the work well, wait first now. If you know they do the work well, you don't say you know they do the work well.
Let me come.
Make you do the work.
Because that will not be in feed.
Oga make I
but that will not be a fee.
Oga wait now.
Lawyer na court. This one not be court matter.
Oga, no, you not there.
Environment be this.
Wait now. Okay, environment.
Now we dey talk about.
Wait now. Anybody can do the work of environment. ministry commissioner, anybody, you know me say because I'm a lawyer, you know, fit do environment work. The environment we dey talk about now, not be dirty full everywhere now. Now we dey talk about. Any person wey dey there suppose fit work. My anger now and my quarrel, my dissatisfaction is that the same person. I be the feel now say as governor do cabinet reshuffle that day, he go comot the commissioner of environment.
Put the right person.
Put another person.
But no,
Because
put the right
hold
person.
on.
The right person.
Because running into 4 years now, the Ministry of Environment, I be one ministry wey don perform below grade. I don't fit talk this matter.
Faye!
The Ministry of Environment in Edo State not function again since the last administration. Dirty full everywhere. Nowhere dirty not dey for this state. And e no dey tell well for us. Before we go break, just now I talk say Edo State, you no fit compare with any other state in this country. Because na center point. You dey come from west, you dey go east.
You go pass
You must touch Edo. You dey come from north, you dey go south. You must touch Edo. Edo dey there, very peculiar state. And if we government not dey see the peculiarity wey dey Edo, make e use am handle Edo, then we should begin to rethink. How you go tell me now say go somebody call me some days back for our upper mission extension. The median wey dey center of the road na dirty. Not be just only dirty from the market o. The people wey government dey pay wey dey sweep, when they sweep finish, everything wey they sweep they will carry am put for bag, dump am on top of the median.
Okay.
Yes.
Na dey. So
Because there's no game they will carry.
because who dey carry am, the Ministry of Environment is not functioning.
But wait now. It gets some people when we say government register as private refuse evacuators.
Yes.
Private refuse managers.
Yes.
Or private refuse disposers.
Waste
Waste managers. Waste managers. Where are those ones
Oga,
come
you
dey?
were aware. You were aware of the court injunction
No,
the other day now.
that case has been taken care of.
In the first place,
That case, they don't want the case come out.
Wait there now.
They start to the work.
wait there now.
Wait there.
We dey even dey talk of governor. Where are the local government chairmen? Abi the law not talk say na local government right to do the dirty business, to evacuate dirty for their local. Are you not aware? So where are the local government chairmen? Where the Department of Health of Environment for local government administration? Where them? What are they doing?
Yeah.
Everybody we just dey say governor. We agree say the Minister of Environment for Edo State e don collapse. E no work. E no work because the person wey dey there don work.
we never agree.
Me don't agree.
Make sure, see, so
I don't need to consult anybody.
Wait first now. If you dey raise your voice like that, the people feel no dey hear you well.
Wetin I try to
You
talk be say
understand?
the money governor say no wan to dey waste our money.
No, forget which governor go wan waste money.
Nobody
But
want
You dey waste
me
money.
dey talk now say all the people wey dey that ministry, the money wey our governor Obaseki dey pay them na waste because wetin dem dey pay them for dem no dey do am. You understand wetin I tell you now?
I dey hear you.
This place, you know, people, the way they take the government from this state, the way they take they operate like Camelo.
Camelo.
Yes, na Camelo. If you not see trouble.
Wait, I beg you. Collect that statement back.
Wait. You get the example we wan give us because Camelo na anything wey you see now dey change colour too. If you no see wetin dey drive, I no dey run.
You know they wrong. So now this ministry dey here 4 years wan finish.
No.
You no go see where pool fakes. You no go see where pool fakes.
It dey very painful.
The area, the most painful thing.
Dey very painful.
The most painful thing, the area wey you no even dey expect say dirty since when I dey this Benin City, since when I dey there born, when I grow, when I never see dirty. Na there you dey see dirty now. Na there you dey see dirty now. Everywhere, and we say we get Ministry of Environment. Me I dey talk now the money wey dem dey pay them, up to the commissioner wey dey there, na waste. At times they even dey imagine these people dey waka. Then they waka be
They are not no. This kind of question we dey answer.
No,
because as me and you dey waka around, we dey see all this dirty.
Whether they waka around from the governor, deputy governor, this SSU, head of service, all these people, local government, that they waka, all the commissioners that they waka, what kind meet the kind of meeting? When that times they'll say ESCO meeting. What did they discuss there? What did they gather? They discuss there. You go they hold the ESCO meeting every week. Everything is going wrong. Go to see road where they do for
environment. When we talk about environment, that road matter. We'll come to that road matter. We'll finish environment first.
I beg.
The
road no be environment. We don't know why. I don't know why. Why the governor not change the commissioner for environment?
Now the truth, SLSC. Now the truth with the talk. You like I talk.
I don't know why.
The truth, no, they fear.
Now we talk about. We don't reach that stage where we say we go see truth. We go talk am. You get age where person dey reach. You know go they say you not be this one.
The way you tell start.
What about if he be say yes say when we dey talk about the commissioner and the commissioner? What about if he be say yes say the wherewithal for the commissioner to work?
Not they give then you resign.
You resign.
So
yes. For you to get all this bashing from media, from left, right, and center, you go come out say the reason why they resign I be this. I dey ministry, not be me dey in charge. Pogri not they come make I take work. So I not feel they collect insult from Edo people because it dey for word say cleanliness na next to godliness. So if we not clean, it means say we be brother to devil. Now just the interpretation be that.
Yes, now.
Because wetin good not dey dwell inside dirty.
No.
Sickness go come through dirty. Diseases go come.
Yes.
You go need to waka pass where all those dirty dey around with state now. The odor where you go dey inhale.
And people they live around.
Of course, people they live around. So we not they just talk. His Excellency, we not they just talk. Like I talked before, Erio, wait. Like I talked before, you be one person where I get high respect for because you be elderly person, not because you be governor. But as you don't come be governor, the respect can increase. Make we know what to do. To pack dirty na so difficult. To pack dirty sanitation. Where be say some other small country where even the Africa don't they turn waste to wet. They don't they turn waste to money. They don't they turn waste to money. Now let these states, now me see say we don't know how to sort dirty. Dirty many. Plastic they day, iron they day. The ones where they decompose, where they rot they convert those ones to manure. What thing will they do? Don't site this back part between our children. You don't understand me?
Yeah.
So what thing will they do? What thing will they do? It be like say we dey waka, but na back we dey go. The whole state dey smell, dirty full everywhere.
Physically we dey go front. Spiritually na back. Na back we dey go.
Anyway, you see, we don't talk all the problems the way we say is there now. Now, I want you to identify problems and all of that. The question I go say ask now, all they ask now, for this case now, what do you feel say yes, we go to do to address this issue?
Yes.
One, when I talk about the commissioner, say maybe you do this or do that. If you be say yes, say the commissioner not get the wherewithal to do what you want to do, or maybe you get the wherewithal, what will be the role? What will be the role when you go play? Number one, what will be the role when we say the governor go play? What will be the role when we say waste managers go play? And all of that to make sure that this thing go. Even we self, as citizens of the state,
government to play. Yeah, we get role to play. But as followers, you know how followership they be with leadership. I know they fear to tell anybody. Leadership matter not be the one way they argue. Now God they ordain leaders. When you don't do that role of leader, you must be a leader across board. Your leadership must cut across every area for your state or your country, as the case may be. Right now, make the governor call the commissioner for environment. Make he ask and say, wetin dey happen?
How far?
You watch ITV today. You see wetin they talk, they say you know they work. Not be say we just talk say they work. We see environment.
They work.
We know they see am. We know they see the result exactly. They work. We know they come up for us when they break. They go work. But the work we know they see am. Because if the work wait now,
wait.
If
they go work.
If they go office now.
If they go work. If they work.
But the work we know they see result. We know they see result. So make governor ask her, wetin dey happen? Or if na governor hand the day say as you talk just now, the regardation.
Okay, make you talk your own now. You go reach your turn, you go talk your own side. You go talk your own side. Let her climax, let her anchor.
Talk.
You know say na people wey dey watch ball, na dem be the best footballer in the world.
Na so go play the ball, that is go play.
Na governor hand.
Beg it down.
So wetin I try turn out be this one. It's possible. We don first see governors wey do am across the nation. It is possible. So make it call her to order. I believe say the next ESCO now go be next Wednesday. Next Wednesday. Make it bring this. Make them bring up this matter. Say, good morning from Benin people. They talk say environment dirty. And true they see the dirty around.
What we
go do about them? It is very easy.
Okay. What are the role of the citizens?
The citizens. Now their own worst pass, Oga.
Okay.
Now their own worst pass. If you not beat your brother, well, not be the same mama. No, I be how they tell you talk. Yeah, the one way might be the same mama. If you not beat am, make you bleed down. The one he go say the one way your papa born, he not go fear you. You know understand? You must use person do example. Not be to go pull signpost say if you dump refuse here, you're fine at 20,000. I don't know. Now me the talk to. Where the tax force? Where the people wey suppose dey enforce the law say people wey dump refuse indiscriminately, you go arrest them. Where the people wey suppose work and those people suppose dey under the Ministry of Environment. Where those tax force wey law don give power say any person wey dump dirty for where e no suppose dump put, make una arrest am, carry am go court, go try am. Then another thing, why people no go seek for self-help? They don do dirty for their house. Government na suppose come carry dirty. You no come carry dirty. So I go leave dirty make the smell for my nose for inside house. I go find where go throw away the dirty now. I go find where go throw away the dirty because government wey suppose work, we come suppose come carry my dirty. You know they do work.
Okay, may we hear from Victor before we say we go change the gear. What do you feel for this case now? Say government supposed to do, and what do you feel say yes, say the city is supposed to do to make our environment dey cleaner?
If we want to make our environment clean
for Edo State,
it is government hand. One, you must look for somebody where you know the implication of dirty. Two, you will be governor. You know what the ministry need to work to clean the state. If you provide that, give them the necessary support, I believe say all these things it go stop. Okay. And at the same time, all these people will be like say because some people just get the habit of carrying dirty, they throw away for anywhere where they see. The habit. Make sure say anyone set up look for task force as my brother talk. Anyone who you catch. Don't be saying that to say.
No spare user, for example.
Not give any fine.
Then another matter.
Wait.
Waste disposal. Waste managers. Where government don't give license to carry waste. With the year information, as electricity providers, they also they do and so where they know they give us light, they go they bring estimated billing. Now, so refuse people also they do.
Some of them.
Okay.
Most of them.
Okay.
Most of them.
Carry on.
You don't go carry dirty.
But you go bring because.
But when 3 months reach, you go bring bill like say now the entire house now dirty. Now it be their occupation. Say now to generate dirty. You go bring bill like say now house now I want build. Okay. All these things should stop. Government should be responsive to some of this issue. It not be just to they say we they talk. It is citizens hand. You will law give power to dispose dirty. How you they take do am? If you don't they do conny, dirty you not carry, you they give people bill. You on your own, you supposed even go prison put.
Okay, no problem. We'll go take a very small short break. We'll continue for where BC will stop because this matter not be made to go. What we go live like this. We'll drink some more water, put. Then we'll continue for where BC we day. My brother, we'll take small break. We'll come back and not go anywhere. Well, now so our program today go end. I want to thank everybody that will be part of the program today and people will be say he won't phone in. But before we go come out, now
go with the go. We thank everybody we don't deal with us. One great appeal we don't make because they say Ogire will tell Yeke na parable for Bini. Say when leadership not the community, that community they go backward. So we'll continue to beg the center make a beg. The enogearship of Imi community, it don't reach where everybody go cry, put another appeal they make. We also hear information say center don't call. So we must continue to beg center.
We are not understanding to appeal. What will be the appeal?
Say make Baba put a nogi for Imi community.
No enoge now.
No, not there. As we speak, me and you are not there.
It's okay. No wahala. You go leave that one. Say, I call to my brother Morgan and Thomas. Now come.
Come and go. Now
we go. Next we go see again on behalf of Rio Matitikwa Benson, Rio Benson. We go see again Emmanuel Akpololo. My name is Thomas. I do not forget I talk before I talk him again. Now I'm going to load the carry and for other people they help and carry your load so other people go help you. Now good morning.